I've been seeing the Creality K2 Combo pop up all over the maker forums and a few of the hobbyist groups on Discord, and honestly it's hard to ignore. Everyone's talking about the multicolor printing feature and the fact that it comes with its own air purifier, so I figured it was time to see whether the hype holds up when you actually put the machine to work. Link is in the description if you want to check the product details on Amazon. What really caught my eye about the K2 Combo is its next-gen multicolor capability. Instead of swapping filaments manually or investing in a pricey multi-extruder system, this printer uses a single filament system that can switch colors on the fly. For anyone who designs custom keycaps, decorative figurines, or prototype parts that need a splash of color, that means you can finish a whole batch in one run without stopping to reload filament. It saves time and cuts down on the little bits of waste you normally get when you pause to change spools. Another practical thing is the built-in smart filament system. The printer dries the filament automatically as it feeds it, which is a boon if you've ever tried printing with hygroscopic materials like nylon or PETG and ended up with cloudy layers or clogged nozzles. The dryer runs in the background, so you don't have to pre-dry the spool in a separate oven. I've printed a few functional brackets with nylon on this machine, and the prints came out solid with no hiccups, which is a nice relief for anyone who needs reliable strength in their parts. Speed and stability are often at odds, but the K2 Combo claims up to 100 mm per second while still maintaining high precision, and I've put that claim to the test with a few of my own models. When I printed a set of miniatures for a tabletop game, the printer kept a steady pace without the usual ringing artifacts you sometimes see at higher speeds. For small-scale boutique makers or educators who want to churn out multiple parts in a class period, that combination of speed and quality can be a real productivity booster. One thing that can be a deal-breaker for a home workshop is noise, and the K2 Combo is surprisingly quiet. The stepper drivers and the frame design keep the sound level low enough that you could run it in a shared apartment or a bedroom without disturbing anyone. I've been able to leave it printing while I'm on a video call and nobody even notices the hum. That's especially handy if you're living in a multi-unit building or just don't want a constant whir in your creative space. The direct drive extruder is another feature that makes a difference in everyday use. It handles flexible filaments like TPU much better than Bowden setups, which means you can print things like phone cases, custom shoe insoles, or even wearable electronics housings without worrying about the filament buckling. The high-flow 40 mm per second nozzle also means you can push more material through when you need it, which is useful for those moments when a larger nozzle size speeds up a print without sacrificing surface finish. Now, the combo part of the name isn't just marketing fluff. It actually includes a 360 degrees air purifier with high-density activated carbon. If you've ever printed in a small office or a workshop without good ventilation, you know how the smell of melted plastic can linger. The purifier circulates the air around the printer and traps fine particles, so the room stays fresher. It's a subtle benefit that's easy to overlook, but for anyone who wants to keep it clean. For most buyers, the real question is not whether Creality K2 Combo 3D printer, multicolor printing with CFS bundle with 3D printer air purifier, high-dense activated carbon, 360 all-round purification sounds impressive on paper, but whether strengths like next-gen multicolor 3D printing 2 Combo 3D printer comes with an smart filament system, dry, auto and reliable experience actually make daily use feel easier, more dependable, and more worthwhile after the first few days of excitement were off. It is also smart to think about long-term satisfaction. A product like Creality K2 Combo 3D printer, multicolor printing with CFS bundle with 3D printer air purifier, high-dense activated carbon, 360 all-round purification usually feels like the better buy when it stays convenient, comfortable, and reliable in normal everyday use instead of only looking good in the listing.